Let's go click my YouTube's your boy official, and we're back with another video. And guys, today I'm sick, and yeah. But with that being said, let's get back into the video. And if you haven't already subscribed to the channel, if you want to see more of the build series on the 330i, don't forget to like, comment, and share this with your friends. What up, my YouTube's your boy official, and we're back with another video. As you guys can see in the background, we have the almighty 330i getting washed. So as you guys saw from that short clip in the last video, we are going on a road trip, or our first drive in the 330 in either 2 months or 3 months, I forgot. But yeah, we're going to Boxbury. So I'm not sure if I'm going to record my interaction with the person or the mechanic who's helping me with the build. So if I can, I will. If I can't, I won't. But there's going to be a few like clips on the road, and yeah, I just feel like there's going to be a whole lot of intros. So I'm sorry if you don't care. It's what it is. But yeah. And yeah guys, we just finished washing the car right now. Started drizzling for a bit, but that's whatever. Excuse me, as long as the car is clean and looks approachable and accessible, that's all I want. And yeah, I'm not gonna go out right now because like 3 o'clock, and I don't want to sit in traffic all day. So yeah, gonna head out tomorrow in the morning. The car looks stunning, man, I won't even lie. Yeah, and that's that. And if I can record with the guy being there, I will. I'll update you guys as we go along. If I can't, I can't. But yeah, let's just get ready. Going to rest up. Got an early morning tomorrow. So yeah, and I hope it's sunny because the weather's a bit shaky today. And yeah. What up from my YouTube? Maybe the second half of the video right now. Just came back from Bucksburg. As maybe you guys may see, I'm at the garage right now. Sasa garage, closer to my house. And yeah, the guy told me that I must get a gasket set for the engine, of course, because my oil filter housing is leaking. If you guys know, maybe I'll put a picture right here. Yeah, and he said I must get that and be able to uphold the money that he needs to do the whole thing for the car. And yeah, things will go according to plan once that is all done. And yeah, I'm happy, I don't even lie. You get me? Here the baby is, you get me? So with that being said, if this is the end of the video, guys, bye. So long, see you guys in the next one. And if it's not, just stay watching, stay subscribing, and like keep sharing this to your friends. And yeah,